Dear Retro Commodore channel friends, here we have a SID card for 264 series Commodore computers. This card will add a SID chip to Commodore Plus 4 and Commodore 16. Oh, better. I think also Commodore 16, but probably only Commodore Plus 4. We can see SID chip, but also other connectors, other music connectors, and you can see on the left analog digital and on the right audio in and out. So I think this board can sample musics, can import musics from outside to Plus 4 or Commodore 16. I have to try this card. I found this card in a box, but I don't remember where and when I had it. It seems in very good conditions of preservation, and here I can read SID card, copyright 1992 by Synergy. On web I didn't saw many information about this card. So if someone has more information, please tell me. Also capacitors looks in good conditions. But I didn't understand why Commodore didn't put a SID in every 264 computer. Chip was also ready. I don't know. A big hug, dear friends, from Carlo Pastore of Retro Commodore channel, and have a look and subscribe if you want to this channel. Thank you very much.